Young Aro, a ram with golden horns and a fiery tuft of hair, stands before the village elders. They warn him of the dangers, lava rivers, flying embers, and the fire dragon who guards the peak. Despite this, Aro steps forward. "If I fear it, I must face it," he says, gathering his courage and a flame-proof cloak from his grandmother. Purpose introduces Aro's motivation and bravery, establishes the world and stake. Aro tries to leap across, but is nearly scorched by a wave of molten rock. He spots fire lizards nearby, building a raft of obsidian stones. At first, they hiss at him, but he earns their trust by helping rescue one from a collapsing ledge. Together, they float across the river. Purpose, a test of problem-solving, courage, and cooperation. As Aro reaches for the crown to prove his bravery, a loose stone wakes the dragon. Its eyes blaze. Aro trembles, but doesn't run. Instead, he bows and says, "I do not come to steal, only to learn." The dragon, moved by Aro's honesty and fearlessness, allows him to take a single glowing crystal, a flame of true courage. Purpose shows bravery in the face of fear, wisdom over pride, and Aro's transformation.